Hi, my name's Tim with Tubeline Manufacturing. I'm part of the engineering team, and we're here with the BF8000 bale feeder. So we're going to go over what happens if you break one of the refringers from the drum and how to replace it. We've already taken the shield off, as you can see here. And inside, you simply remove the pin. So now at this point, you want to put the shield back on, tighten the 4 bolts down, and you're ready to go back in the field. So if you need any more help, feel free to reach out to us at our office or go online at tubeline.ca.